For 13 years, I ran a successful portrait photography business without ever reading my camera manual. I thought I was doing everything wrong, but it turns out I was doing everything right, but just for a different audience. See, I built my entire career backwards. While all the other photographers were out there obsessing over aperture and ISO and shutter speed, I was purely focused on results, and that's it. All I cared about was getting the results that my clients wanted instead of doing everything technically correct the way most photographers did things. I really didn't care how my camera worked, I just wanted the results for my clients. But the photography industry told me I was doing everything wrong. My clients were happy, my business was thriving, and I had zero interest in becoming a real photographer if it meant suffering through hours and hours of camera theory. But then I had this moment. I realized that I wasn't a bad photographer. I was what I now call a non-tog. A non-tog is somebody who needs professional quality photos but has zero interest in becoming a photographer. And there are millions of you out there. Etsy shop owners that just need product images, realtors that just need listing photos, and small business owners who just need headshots. You don't actually want to become photographers, you just want the results. But here's the problem. The $850 million photography education industry serves one type of person, people who want to become photographers. They teach 9+ hour-long courses on technical theory, but you don't need that. You need what works fast. So I created a methodology that cuts out all the theory that you don't need and teaches you exactly what you do need to get the results that you want without becoming a photographer. I break it all down in my free webinar, 3 Secrets to Confident Photos. It's only 20 minutes, it's on demand, and I'll show you exactly how this non-tog approach works and why it's perfect for busy people who just need great photos fast. Click the link in the description to watch my free webinar right now. You'll discover the 3 biggest mistakes that non-photographers make with their photos and how to fix them without learning technical photography. You don't have to become a photographer, you just need to click with confidence.